Okay, so these are just some other features on the gradebook that you might want to know about. So once you've created an assignment, you can go to the assignment and click on this expand arrow, and you can choose several different things. So on PowerSchool, we used to be able to fill scores, and just give everybody the same score. So if you click here, you can do that. Let me save this. So you could say that you want to fill in, you want all the students to be filled in, and you want to give everybody 5 out of 5. And then I could click fill, and it would fill those scores. And then I could go back and change some kids that maybe didn't turn it in or something. So you do have the fill scores option. Multi-score is, it will pull up the kids and you can enter in their scores this way. And I'll show you what these things mean as well. But multi-score is how you can enter in all that information at once. I guess it looks similar to what you see here. I'm sorry. What you see here. So it's kind of up to you on what you want to do. So the other features are these. So this, if you marked this, you would say it's turned in. This one is missing. So if you end up running a missing assignments report, it will only pull up things that are marked as missing. So you have to make sure that you click that. This one is late. This one I believe is incomplete. Yeah. And this one is cheated, exempt, and dropped. So you can mark certain assignments that way, and you can have those in the book. So if I clicked on cheated, it would take the score away. If you click exempt, it would take the score away. And then if you click dropped, it would take the score away also. So those are some other features in Gradebook that you can use for inputting assignments and information. Again, like I showed you before, it shows you by category what their percentage is, and then their final grades are here. When you go to do report cards, this is where you will post their grade. And then you can make comments in here too. So that's where that information is. And then to post your grades, I believe you click on multi-post grades over here. I don't know if it's going to let me show you how to do that because it's so early in the semester, but you will be able to post your grades really easily. It says you just click post and you're done. So maybe once it gets closer to that time, I can show you how to do that. But those are kind of the cool features of it that I have been shown how to do. If you find out how to do some other things, just let me know so that I have those things as well to share with other people. But those are some of the cool features of Gradebook. You also have these other options up here to sort, how you want to sort your assignments. So I like to have mine by due date. It's easier for me to see, and I want it to be in ascending order. So it goes from due now to due later. That's how PowerSchool was set up, and so that's how I would like mine to be set up. But you can do it by category or by sequence if you want to. And then there's also this filter option, and so you can filter by passing and failing, by all those things I showed you, turned in, missing, late, those things. You can filter by that. You can filter by student, and then you can filter by your categories and things too. So you can do that and then apply those settings, and then you can filter. So you might want to just play around with that and see what that looks like for you. That's pretty much it. This is the semesters tool up here. You can choose by semester once we get to semester 2, and the graphs and things you'll have to kind of check out as you start inputting information. I don't have a lot of information in here yet, so it's hard for me to show you that. But those are the cool features of Gradebook.